Hi Sven, this is Jeff Stein over at Stein Marketing. I just want to go through some of the keyword research for a scientific thesis. That's where I started the keyword search. Then I ran some analysis of different keyword variations, some of which may fit, some may not. But just to give you an idea, this is what came back. And let me explain to you what some of these columns are, and I'll actually send you a spreadsheet with this also. But basically, in this column here, we have different keywords. For example, thesis format, that kind of thing. Then in this, we have the total amount of daily searches for this keyword. Now, I have this set on broad, which means these could show up in any order and could have other words with them in order to get this search. And what I'm going to send you also has phrase, which means that these words occur in this order, but they could have other words added. And then finally, exact, which is the exact amount of searches that happen per day for example, thesis statement only. So looking at thesis statement, there's actually 8,000 searches a day that include that. This is the SEO traffic. This is the potential amount of clicks you would get if you were in position 1 of Google. Now, this is 42% of this first number. They have calculated that 42% of all listings in Google that are on spot number 1 for the organic search results get clicks. So that's where that 42% comes from. This PBR, I don't really pay a whole lot of attention to this, but it's phrase to broad. And what it is it says how many times this phrase comes compared to just other settings, which means thesis statement shows up in order 82% of the time that term is searched for, so the other 18%, they would come in some different order, etc. Now we have SEO competition. Now this is huge. This right here is the number of websites that mention this keyword term in order. So these are basically where your competitors are. Now, right off the bat, I can tell you I typically don't even look at anything over 300,000. For example, this is great, 8,000 searches a day for thesis statement, but it would take a lot of work to be able to get to page 1 with almost 600,000 competitors. What I ideally like to find are keywords that have less than 100,000. So, for example, write thesis statement, only 79,000. How to write a thesis statement, etc. But you've also got some great ones here. This one has 21,000 for thesis format, etc. So what I'd like you to do is go through these keywords. And again, I know yours specifically are scientific theses, so give me an idea of what keywords are appealing to you. We can play with it a little bit. Here, scientific thesis gets 43 searches a day. You would stand to get 18 clicks if you were in page 1, top spot on Google, and 35,000 competitors. So within a few months, we could have a top position in Google. On the other hand, scientific thesis writing gets 5 searches a day, and there's only 3,800, so we could move into that probably within the first month, depending on exactly what the competition looks like. So anyway, I'm going to send this over to you, but this is scientific thesis and related keywords. If there's any other keywords that are more specific that you're looking for, or any other ideas, then give me a shout, let me know. So other than that, I will talk to you soon.